Beneath the waves, where sunlight shimmers and predators lurk, mackerel race through the water like silver arrows. Every year, humans haul in over 3 million tons of mackerel from oceans around the globe, enough to fill more than 120,000 large trucks. Let's dive into the incredible world of mackerel, from the wild ocean chase to your dinner plate. Mackerel are famous for their speed and agility in the water. They must keep moving constantly to breathe, relying on water flowing through their gills to absorb oxygen. They often form huge, shimmering schools, creating a mesmerizing underwater dance to confuse predators. From the skies above to the depths of the ocean, danger is everywhere. Tuna, sharks, dolphins, and even seabirds eagerly hunt these agile swimmers. Not only do natural predators hunt mackerel, humans have also been harvesting these fish for centuries along the coasts of the Atlantic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, and the Pacific regions near Japan and the United States. Every year, over 3 million tons of mackerel are caught worldwide to meet the growing demand for seafood. Two common methods are used: purse seine fishing and longline fishing. In purse seine fishing, a huge net surrounds a school of mackerel, and the bottom is pulled tight like a drawstring, trapping thousands of fish at once. One haul can bring in up to 200 tons of mackerel. Longline fishing uses a single long line with hundreds or thousands of baited hooks, stretching up to 50 kilometers. This method catches fish individually, helping preserve their quality and reduce bycatch. After many days drifting across the vast, unpredictable ocean, the fishing boats finally return to port, heavy with their silver treasure. Believe it or not, some ships unload over 500 tons of fish in just one trip. That's enough to fill more than 20 full-sized trucks. Instead of unloading by hand, these modern ships pump the fish straight into the processing plant using enormous pipes. Thanks to this method, unloading can be up to 10 times faster compared to traditional manual methods. Once inside, the mackerel are immediately rinsed with icy cold water to remove any dirt and to keep them fresh. Then, clever machines take over, sorting the fish by size at lightning speed. Have you ever wondered how quickly machines can sort thousands of fish? Well, some systems can handle over 10,000 fish per hour. Some of the best-looking fish are packed whole before being frozen at extremely low temperatures, between -35 degrees Celsius and -40 degrees Celsius, ensuring long-term preservation before processing. This deep freezing method helps maintain the fish's freshness, texture, and flavor, so it stays in perfect condition until it's ready for the next stage of processing or distribution. When it's time to prepare them, the fish are gently thawed to around -1 degree Celsius to -2 degrees Celsius, preserving their texture and making them easier to fillet and process. Before any hands touch the fish, workers go through strict hygiene routines, washing their hands, disinfecting boots, and putting on full protective gear. Skilled workers then fillet the fish, slicing them expertly and removing the internal organs. Each movement is swift and precise, honed through years of practice. Have you ever tried filleting a fish yourself? It's not as easy as it looks. After filleting, the pieces go through a second rinse, ensuring the cleanest, highest quality mackerel possible. The clean fillets are flash frozen once again. Then they are carefully weighed and packed into boxes, ready to travel to kitchens and restaurants all around the world. Some factories freeze and pack over 50 tons of fillets per day. But that's not all. Some mackerel are canned, a preservation method enjoyed by millions worldwide, with over 1.5 million tons of mackerel being canned each year. Mackerels are carefully cut into smaller chunks to ensure uniform portions. They are gently rinsed again to remove any remaining impurities before being meticulously placed into cans. Next, they're topped with rich, flavorful sauces like tangy tomato or savory oil, which enhance the natural taste of the fish. The cans are then sealed tightly to preserve the mackerel's freshness. After sealing, the cans are steamed, washed, and packed into boxes for global distribution. And now, the next time you see a mackerel dish, you'll know the incredible journey behind it. Thanks for watching. Which part surprised you the most? Let me know.